How are you? Happy? Okay. Before starting anything, we will see one video and then we will start our discussion. But two requests to all of you. Two requests. First, please try to involve in it. If we ask to perform some activity, I am confident that you will involve. But don't tell, please ask Rahul bhai, please ask Sylvia teacher, I don't want to involve. Please don't do. Come out. And second thing, whatever work assigned to you, write, please write. Clear? Otherwise you all are best, that I know. Clear? And so, whatever we are going to discuss, I think you know better than me. That is also I am confident. Clear? So let us start with one video and then we will go ahead. Sir, Madhulika teacher. Now scenario will change. Sir, stop it. Stop here. The last sentence, everybody has read it. Education is not the meaning to lighten the candle. It is the process to fulfill the empty vessel. And why we are here? Two words are there, teacher and educator. This different we want to create, and therefore this is only the thing. The first was noun, all of you know. And second, also noun, but both has a different meanings as well as the different implications also. And that is shown here. Okay, now be relaxed. I think it was the big word, teacher and educator. No. First of all, what we will do, all of you write one noun about you, which describe you. Noun, which describe you. Example, if I write Samir Bhai has to write, then Samir Bhai write hardworking. Samir Bhai hardworking. Understand? That way. Describe yourself in one noun. Right. How many teacher has completed? One. Very good, Ami teacher. Very good. Finished. Here. One noun you have to describe for yourself. Yes, Priyanka teacher, tell me. Peaceful. Good. Immediately. Yes, Dharmendra sir. Rahul bhai. Which word? You have to describe yourself. One single noun. Helpful. Okay. Clear? Or you can use adjective also. Adjective also. No problem. Clear? Adjective also you can. Finished? Okay. Now you compare yourself with any nature thing, any natural thing. In nature, what will come? What will come? Anybody can describe me? What come? Flowers, rivers, mountains, sun, solar system, everything. Compare yourself with one nature thing. Right, right. Then you have to tell me what you have written. How many has completed? Benita teacher?
Rose.
Rose. Why?
Because in that, I think thorns are also there, and with that also rose can grow.
Okay.
I think
Same way. Okay. Any other? Yes, Neelam teacher?
So I have written the noun learn and
Nature.
yes, it is water. As water changes its shape, we can change our shape according to our students. Then only we will be able to know how they are.
I told to write about you.
I am also like that only.
Yes, I am learning also. Good. Okay, yes, Silvia teacher? Star. Very good. Why?
As the stars are twinkling, I think that my students also twinkles like a star.
Okay. Now, whatever nature thing you have written, for one stanza poem write on it. One stanza only. Whatever you have written, on that you write a one poem. One stanza only means 3 sentences only. Hindi teacher can write in Hindi. Gujarati teacher can write in Gujarati. પણ પછી રીટાબેન સંભળાવવાની. હા. English teacher has to write in English, Madhurika teacher. Take your time and be relaxed. Anybody if interested in sport, they can compare with the sports and they can write. Especially Rahul bhai and Samir bhai. Don't copy. Finish? Anyone has finished? 2 sentences also anybody has finished? Yes, Silva teacher. Tell. Whatever you have written, good.
Stars are shining in the sky, as I also want to shine in each and every child's hearts.
Clap for her. First one. Good. Any other? Quickly. Yes, both. Okay, we'll Bha teacher and Sita teacher. Both, huh? One by one you speak. Good.
नदी की धारा अपनी लहरों के साथ बढ़ती है, बाधाओं को.
It means you have compare yourself with Nadi.
Yes.
हाँ, good.
नदी की धारा. उसी तरह मैं भी अपने दुख को भूलकर आगे बढ़ूं।
Good, good. Yes, Sital. हाँ, yes.
I am a river. I make my way myself. I doesn't stop.
I does not. Good, good. Both are good. See, now quickly compare yourself with any number or identify yourself with any number. Any number. Quickly, number. Finished? How many has finished? 1, 2, 3. Yes, Pooja teacher. Number, madam ji. Number, why?
Sir, it's a lucky number for me.
Okay, good, clever, good. Very good. Any other? Yes. 9, same, good. Yes, Sweta Ben.
Then I compare myself with 22 because it is on 22 my birthday, my son's birthday is on.
Okay, good. Okay. You maybe feel why we have done this thing. Just remind whatever we have done. Just remind. I ask you first to compare with any noun or adjective. So, among us, 30 people are here. Quickly, 10 people has done it. Am I right or wrong? 10 people has. It doesn't mean that other does not know. It doesn't mean other does not know the adjective or noun. No, they know. But immediately it not comes in all 30 people's mind. When I told to compare with any nature, those 10 people was not able to quickly answer. Those 10 people who has written adjective quickly, they were not able to write natural thing immediately. Third one, I ask you to write a poem. Those 20 people was not able. Another 10 people was able to quickly write. It means those 20 teachers was knowing what is adjective, what is writing a poem. All we people know. But immediately, all three activities, anybody, not a single person was here. Even if I am, adjective also, to compare with a nature also, to write a poem also, to make a figure to comparing us. It is not possible. In these 30 people, we are mature, we are a postgraduate people. Then also, so many differences are here. Some are good to compare themselves with a number. Some are good to write a poem. Some are good to understand the nature. Same way, my dear teacher, situation we are facing in classroom. Students are different. So many types of students are there. If you go and if you read, they will be able to understand. If you ask them to write something, they will be happy. Some are be happy. Some will be happy when you ask to perform something. Some will be happy when you ask them to come to ground. Some are very much bothered to keep themselves inside the classroom of 4 walls. Some are there, even not in first standard, even in 12th also, even in 10th also. So, the simple thing is the learning style, the liking style. If I use the perfect one, the liking style to understand anything is different. Still we know, you just remind, when you were reading, when we were in MA or MSc, or even in 12th also. If I give my example, when I was reading, continuously small music was needed. Otherwise, I was not able to remind it. So my younger brother, he was in such a mood that he has to walk and he has to read. Then only he is able to. Our one student was a Shravani. All of you know. She was also like this. So, these are the different things. Some people are there who just read once and they remember. Some people write and remember. If I convert this word into subject, or in any other manner. Some are good in maths, some are good in literature, some good are in nature, some good in talking, some good. No, I will not give answer, but I am intellectual. So I will not discuss with other interpersonal person. Introvert, that we tell. But it doesn't mean that introvert person is not intelligence. They are also intelligent. Only they are not in the form to express themselves. And therefore, just now we have seen who were not knowing. Again, I want to explain. Who were not knowing to write the thing? Yes. Yes. Who were not knowing to write the poem? Everybody was able to compare themselves with the number. Everybody. Why? We don't know simple our registration number, our registered number. But it don't click immediately in our mind. Our mobile number. Even who does not know, even science teacher also can compare themselves in a nature with any planet. But it does not click in our mind immediately. It proves that our learning style is a different. And same thing we face in our classes. Different types of students who has a liking style of learning is a different. And today we are going to discuss that only. How we have to address the different type of students. And that is all of you know. If different word if I use means multiple are there. And as I told you, learning style, that is their own intelligence. And therefore, these two words only we are going to discuss today. Slides. First, as I told you, just now what we were thinking about, who is good writer or a good poem person, or who can just do the arithmetic, they are only good. No, as just now we have feel that the person who can compare themselves with a number, he is also intelligent. Just it doesn't means that our teacher is who has compared nicely with number, he is not intelligent. He is also intelligent. Who compare with a solar system, they are also intelligence. But you are intelligence of your subject or your learning style. Same way, don't keep the belief in ourselves. Belief in as a teacher that the students who are good in writing at first stage or in a first or second period, he or she is only good. Because maybe his learning style is different. Second, thank you. Two words I told, multiple, many types. Just now we have seen in our class only many type of people, and intelligence means it's a smartness only. Second. So, compare this we have done. So, 8 types of thing which we have find it. I don't want to go in its theory who has written and who has done. Clear? 8 type of things are there. If we start with a verbal or a linguistic, first one, verbal or a linguistic, the person who can express themselves. Second, logical or a mathematical. Intentionally I have written mathematical in logical, because if we want to teach mathematics, or either we have to give in a mathematical form, mathematics is nothing but logic that you have to apply. Third thing, whether it's a visual or it is spatial. Then body or aesthetic. Then it's musical or a rhythmic. Musical, it doesn't mean that he has to sing only. No. If anybody is in rhythm, that is also there. Then naturalist. Just now we have taken this example. And 2 most important things, interpersonal and intrapersonal. So these 8 ways are there. That hands out we will give, and 1 book also given to you. So no need to give. Okay, next. It means, I think this we have to keep in our notice board. It's not how smart students are. How much they are smart, it is not important. The way is how they are smart. Means some again, why we are doing this thing, again understand. Today we come to know that among us also, some are good in maths, some are good in writing, some are good in a natural way, some are good who raise the hand. I know among you some has already written, but you have not raised your hand. Means you are an interpersonal person. You have to come out from your intra-personality, introvert personality. If I use the exact word, some are shy. They have written in our class, but they are not showing to us. How we can convert that thing in a classroom, result oriented, that we have to see. Yes. So first thing, quickly, if we go verbal or a linguistic intelligence, what is that? Again, I am telling you, book is given to you. So two things I want to tell you about: the listen and respond to the spoken word. Immediately who respond to us. And if I use perfect word for it, it is a word smart. Who has a more vocabulary? If I speak vocabulary, word smart, he is a verbal or a linguistic person. I want to give one example in it. If you ask triangle, immediately the students who understand triangle, oh, okay, tri means 3 and angle, okay, who can capture from the word only? He can come in this type of category. Who can capture the word? If you tell them adjective, what? Add something adjective. Who understand through verb, who understand through word also, he becomes like this, or he is this type of students. Like to write, good storyteller, better than average age. Yes, this is the perfect one. Therefore, sometime what happen, if our students are able to write whatever we told, we understand he is good in a verbal linguistic. But the students who is capable from his average age, he comes in this type of intelligence or this type of smartness. Means smartness is a one step ahead than his average age. Second, sir, logical or mathematical intelligence is familiar with the concept of quantity, time, and cause and effect. Every time, if we forget everything, this big word, two words I have written, why and how. Every time the students who are asking us, why this type of thing, how this come, अरे इसके पहले ए ही क्यों लगाना है? The students who ask this, the student who ask why it is congruent only, why it is not equal word we are using. Understand what I am telling? The students who are asking why or how, more time, it means he is a number smart. Understand, because he want to understand. Or who is mathematically or logically there, who apply the logic, who ask the questions, why this thing happened and how this thing happened. And this most of this thing comes in literature, in grammar, in maths, in every step, and most probably in science, every chapter or in every course. This thing can come. Yes, thank you, sir. Now, body and aesthetically. Who want to prefer to touch something, to handle something in such a way that he can learn that thing. Understand, if you ask somebody to stand up and give the answer and he is happy, it means he is very fit with the body. Somebody who want to go, if you ask them to run in a class or ask them to stand up and give the answer, to change the place and he is happy, he comes or she comes under this category. Yes, sir. Next. Visual or spatial. Yes. Some people are there who understand the thing when they picturize the thing. Picturize the thing. This thing is there. Means if I speak in our word, if you draw the classification or a flow chart and they understand the concept. Or when history teacher is teaching, you have nicely taught them 1857 revolution. Instead of that, if you show them, this is the Nanaji, this is the Rani Lakshmibai, and they immediately catch up that thing. The students who are able to catch up the thing through picture, in chemistry, instead of giving benzene C double bond, C double bond, C double bond, instead of, if you give them a picture, or in our world flashcard, then immediately they are able to understand. Some are there. Even we, among us also, we are able to understand when we see the picture. And it is proven by so many research. All of you know, if we see the picture, then immediately it catches us. And therefore, the students who are able to understand through picture, they comes under this category. Second, yes, musical smart. Listen and respond, interest to variety of sound, including the human voice. Why I have written this? As I told, when in introduction I told you music, it doesn't mean that he has to sing. But the students understand this is very minute thing, but it is very necessary. When our tone change, because in classes our tone change. When it is a question mark, as per the literature, we have to change our tone. The students who like the changing of voice, they are also come under this category. Not only musical, it doesn't mean, therefore, obliquely I have written one word, rhythm. The students who are capable to acquire this quality, to acquire the knowledge through this quality. And therefore, most probably what happened in 1 to 5th or in 6 to 8, students like the teacher whose voice is very good. Why? It doesn't mean that, but most of the students. And therefore, what happened in 1 to 5th, we feel that Jain's teacher has to speak politely. We tell this that you are handling the people, so you have to speak in politely. Why? Because they like the changing, or if I speak very perfect word, modulation. Clear? So this type of students come. Music is there. Yes, of course music is there. But other students who learn like this also. Sometime happen, you have so many experience. You take a round and you ask somebody, beta, why you are not copying? Your voice change. Your tone change. 2 words should be plus. First voice should be changed and tone should be changed. Then we all has experience that he starts something. I am not telling he start everything, but he starts something. Means he are in this type of thing only. Another thing, he is eager to, that one, last one. Eager to be around and learn from music or musician. Clear? We have posted one poem about war band now. Clear? Clear? Those type of thing who can able to understand that. Means develop the ability to sing or play an instrument also. Last time I have remember you have done a wonderful done. With tabla you have started a tables. I think the tables was maths, but you have started with tabla. Clear? It was the combination of this thing. Next, interpersonal. Bonds with parents and interacts with others. Who is always interact with other? We just give the name. He is a very talkative. We cannot do anything for him. But it means he want to express himself. And that expression we have to mold in such a way that he convert his focus on study. The simple thing. That is all. Talkative is there, yes. We cannot change. We all are different. He is also like that. Another thing, forms and maintain social relationship. Who is talkative? They make the relationship. Perceive the feeling throughout and motivation, behaviors and lifestyle of others. Who learn, who talk. For talking, all of you know, we need a logic. And to logic, we understand any other's good people's life. Another thing, express an interest in interpersonally oriented career. The best thing for interpersonal career is what? Teaching, social work, counseling. If anybody does mischiefs in our class, and one student tell, teacher, I will handle him. I will make him understand that he has done a wrong thing. Those students come in this category. Or last time, if I have not forget the name, that Mehta, yesterday only was telling, that black girl, Arpita. That Arpita was in 12th commerce, was a girl who asked every time that this Nachiket and Pujan, I will handle them. She was like that, I will handle them. Means it doesn't mean don't take any other way. But she was such a way capable that asked the student to sit in a class. Next time, intrapersonal. The people who understand others also. Not only his self, that alone. Clear? Try to self-actualize. Who always, we are telling, sometime if we ask, speak something, and that people know everything, but he doesn't want to express themselves. Maybe 2-3 reasons are there. If we speak and we are wrong. Clear? Those feelings also are there. But that we have to come out. And for that, we have to teach our student. And then also if not there, we have to give that type of work only. That is the most important thing. If some students, some teachers are also there, we all know, they only speak when 2 or 3 teachers are there. If we ask to give the suggestion in meeting, they will not give. It can be happen. But we know he or she knows better than us, but don't want to express themselves. Why? अरे सजेशन दे दिया तो सर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दे देंगे. Clear? So we have to come out. Next, sir. Last, naturalistic. Recognize and can name many different types of trees, flowers and plants. Just now we have done that activity. Has an interest in good knowledge, how the body works, keeps abreast of health issues. And last and important, has an understanding of and even interest in the main global environment issues. The teachers who always come to me, sir, ये tree का थोड़ा बढ़ गया, इसे कटवा दो. Those teachers comes in under this type of things. Next. Yes, now this is the most important. This was the theory which I told about 8. Immediately, if any students in linguistics, how we will apply in our classroom. This example of activity which what we can do. Lecture, discussion, word game and storytelling. If we can do this thing in our class, immediately we are able to, again I repeat, able to capture the linguistic person. What material we can use? Not only that, books, tape recorder and now the smart board are there. Logical or mathematical, brain tracer, number game, we can use for them. Crossword are there, we all know. Can we do one thing? You give me the suggestion. Sorry. In crossword, just think, which is the smallest two-digit number. They will write in word. What will be it? We all know. Clear? 10, T-E-N. And then same way from T, thousands, which is the largest 4 number. It's a number game, crossword. If we can start, therefore I have written this thing. If we can do this thing, it can come in any one way. Another example I want to give. What is the latitude of India? Latitude of India. Longitude. 20. It's come in Google. Yes, I want from you only. Yes, good man. 95. Absolutely. Clear? Good. So, for that only, if we ask them to write those numbers, the students are good in numbers. If he is not able to understand the longitude and latitude, ask them to write the number north and south as ma'am told. Immediately he will understand, मैंने north में ये लिखा था, south में ये लिखा था, east में ये number लिखा था, east में ये number. Then immediately he will be able to remember the numbers, and when it asks in MCQ, he will be able. He don't know what is longitude and latitude, but he is able